Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous few tutorials, we saw how to download and install Python on Windows and also how to run Python programs on Windows. The main objective of this video series is to learn Python programming language. We want to learn Python basic concepts and also we want to learn how to use those concepts to write Python programs. So next in this series, we'll talk about Python basic concepts. First, we'll talk about character set. Character set is the set of valid characters acceptable by a programming language when writing the programs. The character set refers to a set of all the valid characters that we can use in our program for forming words, expressions, and numbers. To write programs, we need alphabets, numbers, symbols, and the set of valid characters recognized by Python programming language is called as Python character set. Okay, character set is nothing but it is a set of valid characters which we can use in our program to form words or expressions. Alright, so next let's see what characters are allowed in Python programs. First is alphabets. You can use all the alphabets, uppercase as well as lowercase letters in your program. So we have here 26, here 26, total 52 alphabets. These alphabets are helpful to create or write normal text or special words. Next is digits. We can use digits from 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in your program. We can use digits in constructing numeric values, or we can use it in the expressions. Also in other ways, you can use the digits in your program. Next is special characters. You can use all the special characters in your program. We can use these special characters in logical operations, mathematical operations, or for checking conditions in many ways. Next is white space. You can include blank space, tab space, new line, carriage written. You can use these different space in your program. Next, Python recognizes all the ASCII characters. So Python character set also includes ASCII values as well as Unicode characters. Almost all characters are now available across different platforms. This is because of the Unicode characters. Python also has the support for Unicode characters. Alright, so this is about the character set, Python character set, the valid characters which we can use in our program. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.